Welcome to another video of ChatGPT. In this video I will be showing you how ChatGPT can be used by programmers. Open Google and type OpenAI login. Then sign in using Google account. You are good to go. Let me show you how can we generate SEO keywords using ChatGPT. Wonderful. Now I want a email function in FUP language. Let's try this. It's just wow. Without any effort it has given the whole code. The best feature of ChatGPT is it gives you explanation for the whole code. Now I want a hash function in FUP. Let's try this. Amazing. I am not able to decide ChatGPT is blessing or curse for programmers. Write your opinion in comment section. Now let's try some website designing. I need a drop-down menu code in HTML and CSS. Let me show how you can use this generated code, and within seconds your task will be done using ChatGPT. This is the output of the code. Now let's try Python language. Write a code to convert text to speech in Python. I love it. Now I will show ChatGPT can work on library also. Write a code to create a GUI login form in Python. Now let me show you this code works cool and without any error. Really amazing. Let's try Java language. This time I am asking ChatGPT to write an example to show inheritance in Java. I love the way it works. You can try different things on this platform. Thanks for watching.